Hey, I want to welcome you back to Beyond AI Solutions. We're all about tech and all about keeping it real. Y'all know who it is. It's me, Rome, the neighborhood AI Guru. I had an opportunity to actually talk to the winner of the Flipping Girl. Jay is an awesome guy. I appreciate, it just shows that our message can get out there. One of the studios, that's great. Look at me. What y'all think? I want y'all to watch this interview that we had. Just talking about, the things that we're doing. Listen, I just want to talk about one tool right quick. I'm going to say the name of it and y'all check it out. It's called CHAT.FOREFORNT.AI. GPT-4 for free. Y'all check it out. Well, anyway, I'm gonna get out of the way so we can watch this interview, right? Yo, check it out.
Hear me, Jay. You there?
Yes.
Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
I'm good, doing good. How are you?
Busy over here building some roller coasters.
Okay.
Yeah, Universal Studios.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. So how did you find
Actually, I tried to search a screenshot from the video on a Google Lens. Okay, and after that, there's lots of results came out, and I tried to see a specific picture, and I found that there is the beach. The beach was related to that video, and then after that I did not get success at the first time. Then I tried to search it the second time, and I found a Facebook profile of, and through that I found that video.
Okay. I was like, man, dude, hey, you gotta be good, man. You gotta be like a researcher or something. That's what's up, man.
Actually, I use it AI to beat AI.
Yeah. So, hey, what do you think about Wonder Studios?
Yeah, definitely. I already checked it out and tried to use it. It's literally so much fun. I also suggested to my friends.
That's what's up, man. Well, hey, listen, I'm gonna send you this $100. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be doing a lot more, man. And I'm glad that you show the people that you can actually find, you know what I'm saying, whatever you want to with using AI, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole world is going that way. So we need to make sure we stay informed and keep utilizing this stuff, you know what I'm saying? To make our workflow easier, and you can use it in your house and everything. You already know. I don't have to explain it to you. I'm excited that you freaking found it. Like, what? Yeah, man. Yeah. So where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. Okay. Yeah. So okay, that's what's up. When are you coming to the States?
Actually, there is a central part of India.
Okay.
And here is the cleanest city, which you might search. This is the cleanest city. It is Indore. It's Indore. INDORE.
Okay.
Yeah, I belong to this city.
Oh, okay. All right. That's what's up.
Yeah.
So what do you think about Beyond AI Solutions, man? I mean, we just starting. Hey. We still learning.
Yeah, definitely. AI is in growing stage, definitely. And today I talked about in my company about AI. To lots of people, lots of my friends, and definitely they are getting to know. I also said AI wonder, because they are getting to know how AI is processing and taking the part which can make our life easier, right? So I definitely suggested them AI Wonder also, and basically it's so much fun. I tried it many times and also made few my imagine images.
Hey, that's what's up. Yeah, man, I'm using it every day too. We using it like I work for this company, and we using it in the safety department right now, where we're making it readily available the information that we
Mhm.
have that's not online. So we're integrating it with GPT-4, where the safety lady, she's able to get all the information she needs, and she don't have to do all of that flipping through the pages trying to research this stuff, because like I said, it's not online either. So it makes it kind of hard because you can't use Bing or either Google Bard or
Yeah.
anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that's what we
That's nice.
doing over here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely. Yeah.
yeah. So do you use any other AI tools like Google Bard and Agent GPT or anything?
Uh, Definitely, I used ChatGPT because it was trending a few months back,
Uh huh.
and one more AI tool I used. I did not remember its name, but I used one more, but did not know name.
Okay, like Notions or something like that.
I
Uh,
was I try to find a better tool always, which helps me. So
okay.
yes,
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be also talking about other AI tools real short. Like I said, man, we just not getting started, and we're doing our things, and
hmm,
trying to get it together. You know.
yes,
So
yes, yes, my friend.
yeah, like I said last night, man, I ran across some tools that's out of this world, man. like I was
Yeah.
saying,
When
you got Agent
when I used
GPT
it,
and all
yeah,
them.
when I used this for tool for the first time, I was literally surprised by AI. Means how far we are currently in the age of AI.
Yeah.
It's totally surprised me.
Yeah, it's off the chain. But I
Definitely.
love it,
Yeah.
man. I freaking love it, man. We can make a whole lot of money off of this thing too, man. If we just take and,
Okay.
package it
Mhm.
the right way, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you do for a living? What is your company? What is your business?
Currently, I completed my graduation like in the last month, and in the next month, I am joining Merchant Navy, my first job.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Okay. Thank you.
Man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I can go through your email or whatever and send you the money or whatever through PayPal, or how do I get that to go to
You
you?
can PayPal me. I will send a mail to uh, uh, the mail which was in my description of YouTube. That was also my PayPal mail, so you can send it on it.
Okay.
But I really appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, as soon as we get off this call, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send it to you. And if you don't mind, leave a comment or whatever, and let the people know that you got your money and
I,
everything. And
obvious. I'm
yeah.
going to put it on my Instagram story with the prize I received on my Instagram and your channel description with the. I'm going to put all this in a single image.
Okay.
So more of my friends gonna going to subscribe your channel and going to try. It's going to be so much fun.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah,
Hey, I appreciate it, man. I
definitely.
really appreciate it. And hey, from time to time, I'm gonna be
Hmm.
DMing you about some new stuff, cause man, it's so hard for me to try to get all of this stuff out. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I got a day
Awesome.
job. Yeah, I got a day
Definitely, it's
job.
going. I am going to do what you want. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun, and definitely I'm going to try.
Yes, sir.
I'm waiting for your new
Yes.
stuff you are going to send.
Oh,
Definitely.
that's what's up, man. Hey, I really, really, really appreciate you subscribing and watching what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? Uh, this is a
Hmm.
new company. Uh, Trying to
Yeah.
get it off the ground. I'm a field engineer by trade. That's what I do.
Hmm.
Like I said, I build roller coasters and stuff. So the
Yeah.
the language dealing with GPT and all that stuff, it's really easy. because I do a lot of prompts and stuff like that already with CAD
Yeah.
and Carlson. So yeah, they come with ease, and but I'm trying to learn every day, man, every day. And like I said,
It's
man,
time, I know.
I really appreciate you, man, and everything.
Thank you.
So, but hey,
Thanks.
we're gonna stay in touch, right? We're gonna stay in
Yeah.
touch. Maybe one day I want to come to India, and when you come to the States, hey,
Sure,
let
sure.
me know. Let me know. I got you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So you got somebody over here. I'm in Florida. I'm in Florida, so
Yeah.
you got somebody over here.
Thanks, bro.
All right. Hey, I appreciate you, man. I'm gonna get off this call. Let me go ahead and send you this money, and I gotta get back to work.
Yeah, great.
All right. Hey, Beyond AI Solutions, right?
Yes, sir. Of course. Yeah.
Hey, I'm your neighborhood AI guru.
All right.
Yes, sir. Hey, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
All right.
Thanks.
Yep. All right.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Bye.
You too.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.